In the South Bay, people are getting ready for another round of rain and strong winds.
We want to check back in now with ABC 7 News reporter Amanda Del Castillo in San Jose with a look at how people are dealing with this wet weather.
The Bay Area woke up to light wind, light rain, and light traffic Tuesday morning. In the South Bay, a view from the driver's seat as the rain picked up, even puddling on the roadway. San Jose resident Andre Yanez says storms over the last few months have made for a world of inconvenience. Yanez personally impacted by downed trees and power outages in previous downpours.
It's really bad sometimes because I have no electricity, can't do my own work, or can't cook at all because all that type of stuff is gone.
Maintenance and cleanup crews have been hard at work, focused on restoration and getting ready for more rain. Elsewhere, Central Valley resident Michael Millan says it's been tough.
Where I live, I got a lot of rainwater in my backyard, so it flooded, and I actually had to pump it out.
For Millan, the constant battering of rain and wind has proven to be bittersweet.
You know, we needed the rain. We're in the drought, but it's kind of coming like a lot at one time, so it's causing a lot of flooding in the area. So that kind of sucks.
Amanda Del Castillo getting the truth out from a lot of people and how they really feel.
Listen, we're keeping it honest at this point.